Here in June, this Alchemilla mollis is flowering for the first time in the garden here after being planted towards the end of last year. Also blooming well now is this established elderflower. Some geum, buttercup. This pine nut tree has some interesting growth in it, while this Burberry continues to have a small number of flowers. Common daisy is blooming. Foxgloves have started to flower, while Kelder rose, or snowball shrub, have reached the end of their flowering. This purple leafed variety of elderflower is also flowering, as is thyme. And sage. Clover is blooming. Chives continue to flower. Pot marigold are flowering. This curry plant is about to flower, while this Nautia has some nice flowers. Red valerian is blooming well. And these poached eggplants continue to have some nice flowers. And are popular with the bees. This tamarix, born from cuttings, starts to flower. Comfrey continues to bloom. And also another elderflower, which was a sucker from the larger purple-leafed elderflower shown earlier, with very little root, and just a branch really stuck in the ground. It has already started growing well and is producing some flower heads in its first year in the spot. As well as the clover flowering well. The lamb's ear plant is also now got improved flowers. And there's noticeably more smaller birds in the garden this year. This orange flowered monkey flower is blooming well, while there's more of the yellow flowers of Alchemilla emerged, and the Rismond Bowles mauve continues to bloom well. Well, there's more butterflies noticeable in the garden recently. This Jacob's Ladder with its blue flowers continues to flower well. This Weigelia continues to have some flowers, while this perennial viola has some good strong colour. Ceanothus continue to have some nice strong flowers, while lilac trees have almost completely finished their flowering. This rock rose is blooming well. This cutleaf cranesbill has improved flowers, while this Cape fuchsia is just about to flower, and behind that a Lavaratera is starting to produce more flowers. Stitchwort continues to have some flowers. Herb Robert has improving flowers. And also flowering for the first time this year is Bird's Foot trefoil with its nice bright yellow flowers.